Hello guys, this is Gagan Gupta and in this particular video we will be learning today and now function. So today function helps us to get the current date of the system. Let's see, our system's date is 26/9/2019 as of now. So what today function does is it helps us to get this date. Today, just use this function is equal to today, open the bracket and then just close the bracket. You don't need to give any reference over here. Just open the bracket and close the bracket and then press enter. So what it will give us is it will give us the current date of this system. Current date of this system. Now now function. So now function provides us the current date plus time. So it gives us the current date. Current date means system's date and system's time. So let's use this function is equal to now, open the bracket and then close the bracket. So what it will revert is it will give us the current date and current time. Thank you so much.